how to remove passkey in Roblox. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove the passkey that you set up to one of your login method to log in into your Roblox account. It's very simple. Now if you're going to be doing this via your mobile device on the Roblox app, the process is going to be the same. So once you log in, you just access your settings, which is going to be the gear icon at the top right, and click on settings. Now you will automatically be redirected into your account info. And as you can see under the login methods, since I haven't set up my passkey yet, but once you're here, once you have successfully set up your passkey, all you have to do is to hit on manage and then just simply choose on the delete option, which is going to be a trash icon. And that's it. That is how you remove passkey in Roblox.